To most people, it's just a collection of incomprehensible numbers. But to a select few with the analytical minds, not only to understand those numbers, but also translate them into valuable insights, it's the starting point for unlocking limitless possibilities. Already, data science is driving huge amounts of global economic activity, shaping the future in many different fields, and shaping highly successful careers. Data science is so hot right now, employers of all kinds are snapping up trained experts in the field. And you could be one of them. Imagine unlocking the potential only you can discover, changing the way people and organizations look at the world, from the biggest corporations to the smallest startups. Decode human behavior to enhance products and services, informing, improving, even saving lives. Using them to make fresh discoveries. Find out how to apply and exploit the latest analytic technologies, including exciting new approaches like machine learning. Build the confidence to interpret, diagnose and validate your findings. Present and report on your discoveries and recommendations, and inform decisions that make a real difference. Develop the skills and knowledge to create a successful...
A data scientist is a person who uses data to solve problems, uncover patterns, and gain insight. They often work in businesses and organizations which gather and curate large data sets. A data scientist may leverage knowledge from statistics, computer programming, databases, machine learning, and mathematical modeling to achieve their goals. A day in the life of a data scientist. First, the data scientist needs to understand the business or organizational issues. Then, they look for data. They may need to set up an experiment to acquire the data, or the data may already exist somewhere in. If an experiment is required, it is important to write down the hypothesis before proceeding. Once the data is gathered, it is checked and cleaned. Then, the right tools for modeling are chosen. For example, R, Python, or another software package. The data and results are then analyzed using visualization tools. The data scientist is looking for important insights and trends and checking their hypothesis. Statistical tests are used to check the results are robust and valid. The learnings, results, and insights are communicated to the stakeholders, usually with recommendations. For example, a data scientist working for a transport company might identify particular routes that are inefficient and recommend solutions to them more efficient. With the advent of the data age, we can all now, with the help of data scientists, get better insights and make better data-driven decisions.
Imagine a world where every step, every mouse click, and every swipe of a finger can impact your community and the world at large. A world where information becomes the greatest resource, and navigating the vast ocean of information a monumental task. Now imagine that you are the one to find the hidden pearls contained within and share them with the world. That's the way of the future. That's data science. The data network of the world grows exponentially the more we use our devices and computers. Navigating this information requires looking at it from the right angle. It requires you to learn the strategy of how to study data with the right eyes, how to search for patterns and sift through the noise, how to discover connections and see the bigger picture. Already there's a need for data scientists. Hospitals need people who can study patient metrics and make connections. Connections that can change diagnoses or even uncover a cure for our worst diseases. Law enforcement needs data scientists who can inspire the future of forensics, matching collected data in real time and quickly responding to evolving threats. The possibilities are endless, and anyone can be part of the journey. Booz Allen's Data Science Client University grants foresight into a future that's already here. It provides the tools and insights to take your first steps, whether that's learning how to identify opportunities for data science in your work, or how to build a data science team.
Today is definitely one of these days. But don't worry, because tomorrow your luck will change and things will go brilliantly, thanks to data science. Wait a minute, you silly pretzel. Do you even know what that is? Okay, let me explain. First, the data. It can be recorded in everything you do. Here, here, and, well, there. You might want to look at your customers' past behavior, but also at the behavior of similar customers. The first step is to put all the information and characteristics we've recorded for a crowd of individuals in what we call a feature matrix. And here is where the science comes into play. Science is all about models. Two types of models are generally used in data science: unsupervised and supervised. For you, yes, you. You may want to better target your ad campaigns based on where your customers are from. But you may not have that precise information. Your data is here to help. You can actually extract groups of similar customers. This is called clustering. This is what unsupervised learning can do for you. And you can get even more out of your feature matrix. By applying different models on the different groups, you can try to predict accurately the behavior of a new customer based on your existing customers. For example, is a new customer, which seems to belong to Group A, likely to buy this product B that you're selling? This is what supervised learning can do for you. And it may be well worth your investment. See? Not so complicated.